Good day everyone. I'm actually doing a review today of my shade provider here. Pretty much got this and it was easy to put together, very easy to assemble and put together, very no problem with it whatsoever. It's very cool to say the least. It has lights inside of it so you can turn it on. It has solar over the top, and the only issue that I was having with it is no matter how much I anchor it down to the deck, it wouldn't stay, so I pretty much had to buy the support to keep it sturdy and strong, so when the wind blows it doesn't fall on the table over here, and it provides the proper shade that it needs to provide and stuff of that nature. So I'm very happy with it so far. I'm gonna actually show you guys exactly what it looked like and what it pretty much entails. So pretty much get to escape the sun from being under here. And as you can see, the lights are now on, and at night this looks perfect. So this is it with the lights off. As you can see, this is it with the light on, so it looks awesome at night. And it also keeps it cool on the hot days out here, so it's perfect for those type of crazy hot days. And if you know, I'm in the northeast of the United States. I'm in the northeast region of the United States. The past 3 weeks has been scorching hot, and I didn't have this. So now that I do have this, in the 90-degree weather days, we could sit outside and perhaps eat lunch or dinner and things of that nature without having to worry about so much sun rays killing us out here. So now this becomes a fully functional area, so to speak, because of this umbrella, this shade umbrella here. So I'm going to show you some more of what it entails and how to work it in the next section here. So just bear with me for a quick second. So basically this is the base of the umbrella itself. You need these. I was able to get those and buy sand and fill them up with sand. They had mentioned to put water in them, but water didn't help because some of them leaked and stuff of that nature, so it just didn't make any sense to have water inside of them. So I put sand in there to counter the weight, and this is actually strong and sturdy now. It will take possibly a hurricane to blow this off the deck, so to speak. So that's how cool this is so far. So before that I was bolting it using those wood screws and stuff like that, but when it got too windy it would take it out. It would actually take it out and it would fall. So that's pretty much the top of it. As you see, it has a little solar panel and battery on top of it, so that actually allows the lights to function down here. And it has a crank mechanism system up here. And that crank mechanism system is what actually opens and closes the whole setup, to say the least. So as of right now I'm actually closing it just to show you guys. This is me winding it down and closing this, so now this can actually close properly. And the pole in itself is very strong and sturdy. Everything is very good in it. So what you do is remove this in order to bring it towards you, and you unlock that here, and once you unlock this it should be able to be moved and slide back and sits in its proper place just like that. So I was able to close it from top to bottom, and it has a belt system that pretty much wraps around the waist of this, Once I'm able to find it, I'll be able to show you guys better. Then I can tell you. Here it is. The belt system is right here, so I pretty much strap that against it. Obviously I need 2 hands to do that. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. So it has those thingies there where you can actually do it, and the fabric is pretty strong, so no rain will actually penetrate it. Yeah, so it's actually awesome for this area here. As I'm getting this deck together, hopefully I can paint it before the summer ends. If not, I'll definitely do it in the spring of next year and get that squared away. So that's pretty much that. I would say this is definitely a keeper. This is a buy, and obviously you have to buy those separately from this because they don't come together. So those platforms you have to get separately from this here because they don't come together at all. So you have to get a set of 4, of course. So I'll go ahead and put the description in the put this in the description below, the link for this in the description below, and also the link for the platform as well. So I'll have both of them available to you guys, so you guys can make the purchase of your choice. All right, thank you guys, have a good day and enjoy. All right, bye.